How to convert a boolean array to an int array. I use scilab and want to convert an array of booleans into an array of integers. In scilab I can use or even just multiply it by 1. Is there a simple command for this in Python, or would I have to use a loop?
NumPy arrays have an astype method. Just do y.astype int. Note that it might not even be necessary to do this, depending on what you're using the array for. Bool will be auto-promoted to int in many cases, so you can add it to int arrays without having to explicitly convert it.
The 1y method works in NumPy too. If you are asking for a way to convert Python lists from boolean to int, you can use map to do it. Or using list comprehensions.
Using NumPy, you can do. If you were using a non-NumPy array, you could use a list comprehension.
Most of the time you don't need conversion. The right way to do it is or.
If you want to see more, please come to the subscribe button.